Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special video prepared just for our young viewers. It's time to learn all about an essential skill, table manners for kids. In this video, we will guide your little ones through the basics of table etiquette, from napkin usage to sitting posture, and from using utensils correctly to engaging in polite conversation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us for more exciting videos. Now, let's dive into table manners for kids. 1. Wash your hands before coming to the table. 2. Sit up straight in your chair and keep your elbows off the table. 3. Wait for everyone to be seated before you start eating. 4. Use utensils properly and hold them correctly. 5. Chew with your mouth closed and avoid talking while chewing. 6. Take small bites and don't stuff your mouth. 7. Ask politely for food or beverages to be passed to you. 8. Use please and thank you when asking for or receiving food. 9. Use a napkin to wipe your mouth and hands. 10. Don't reach across someone's plate, ask them to pass the item instead. 11. Keep your voice at a conversational level. 12. Wait for everyone to finish their meal before leaving the table. 13. If you need to leave the table during the meal, excuse yourself. 14. Avoid playing with your food or utensils. 15. Do not slurp drinks or make loud noises while eating. 16. Respect others' personal space and avoid bumping into people. 17. Share the conversation and listen attentively to others. 18. Offer to help set the table or clear the dishes after the meal. 19. Respect any dietary restrictions or allergies of others at the table. 20. Say thank you to the cook or host for the meal. Remember, good table manners show respect and consideration for others around you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.